What is up, y'all boys? We are not in a C8 today. So basically, long story short, I was at a red light 2 Fridays ago. I'm about to go link some friends, and then I got hit from behind by this truck driver. Everything's being worked out, so don't worry about that. But yeah, everything's being worked out, thankfully. And Chevy gave me a loaner car, so I was like, fuck it, let's film some content with this. This is definitely not no C8, that's for sure. And then I just realized it has this, well, quote-unquote sport mode, which is not really a sport mode. All it does is just get a little bit louder, and the response time of the gas and the brakes are just a little bit better. But besides that, it's nothing really to where I'm like, oh my god, this is sport mode. So yeah, it's the only difference really. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like, it's the perfect beater. Why would you just come out like that, bro? It's the perfect beater, like, daily car. Like, if you need a car every day to just get around in, you know, definitely a perfect car for that, for sure. But I think the problem is, like, when you're used to a car being so responsive, loud, like it's like this just brings everything all the way down. So I'm not saying it's terrible, because this right here is a 2025 Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm not saying it's bad at all, actually. And as a matter of fact, I think the brakes are really smooth. I don't know if anyone else has a Trailblazer, but the brakes are really smooth. The gas is amazing. I've been driving all over the place, and it's only a 258, and it's a Friday, so yeah. And it's pretty big too. Everything's pretty big. Got my phone there, water, like, nice size screen, everything really. So if you really want, and has like comfortable back seats and all that. So, and see, this is perfect for someone like me, because I don't like big Jeeps. Like, it's cool, but I'm not a fan of like those really big Jeeps. Like, I hate driving something that feels like I'm driving a boat. So this is like the perfect, like, mid-size, not too big but also not too small, good trunk space. The back seat, those 2 seats fold down if you want more space. So yeah, definitely. I'm not gonna lie, I even was like, damn, should I really consider this? Because I've always liked Lexus trucks. I've always loved their RX line. Like, they have an RX 350, then a 50 Sport. So I was thinking of just getting that as a truck on the side, so in case I gotta do like any, you know, grocery shopping, whatever, get that. As you guys know, we do have the X5, love that, but need another truck at some point for sure. So I just wish this car had some tints, man. A loaner car with no tints is crazy. So let's hope no cop sees me today and be like, oh yeah, we're gonna pull him over, because he got a big GoPro on his head. So, and for some reason, so inside my C8, right, when I would put CarPlay on and put Waze on, it would tell me the speed limit. In this car, hold on, let me just merge real quick. In this car, I got Waze on and knows. Oh, now it finally wants to pop up. Before, it wasn't showing the speed limit. Now this thing want to pop up. Well, I guess because we're on the highway or whatever. But in the other C8, it would always show the speedometer and the speed limit. So, but yeah, it's a pretty smooth drive. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, it's not bad. And don't worry, that's not a ticket. That's just a garage pass for my building. So when security walks around, they know it belongs to me. So, but yeah, it's really not that bad, honestly. So today's Friday the 11th. Is it the 11th or the 10th? I don't know for sure, but it's one of those days. It's Friday, and they told me I'm either gonna get the car back today or get it back Monday. So in my head, since it has no coolant, it needs a new radiator and all that, I'm probably not gonna get it back till Monday. So maybe Saturday if the guy who works on the Corvettes is there. So we'll see. But yeah, I freaking miss my car. I miss having some dark ass tints. Like I hate this fishbowl life right here. Anybody that has a fishbowl in Florida, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're doing. Like there's something completely wrong with you with a fishbowl in Florida. Like that's just crazy. Florida, when it's 90-degree heat and you people want to be in a whole fishbowl, like make it make sense. People forget too, like you can literally get 50% or 35% and still have some type of tint to get, you know, so your car's not so hot. Like, but yeah. And the one thing about this car too, I don't know, for people who get Trailblazers a lot, because there's some people who every 2-3 years they just get a brand new one. So if you're a person like that, all right, let me get around all this right here. But if you're a person like that, the sound system is terrible, I'm not gonna lie. Like I've turned it all the way up and it just sounds terrible. So if you're a person who enjoys a good sound system, why are you braking already? Relax, bro. Just because you see 2 cops doesn't mean you slow down all the way, bro. God damn. People in Florida drive like they're so nervous. I hate people that are like nervous drivers, bro. Just drive your car. But yeah, if you're a person that likes the sound system, this car is not for you, I promise. I've changed the settings and up the bass and the treble and all that, and it's still just not where it should be. So, but overall, like for a car, getting you from point A to point B and being good quality, and the brakes are really good and it's comfortable, definitely recommend this as daily driver. I know some of these brand new are like what, 25, 30. So damn, traffic on a Friday? Damn. I'm telling you, ever since people been moving down here to Florida, because I came here in June of 2022, ever since people been moving down here, it's been crowded. Like especially on Friday, when I first moved here, it was not that bad. Now it's been crowded all the time. Oh my god, why did I even come in this lane? Why did I even do this to myself? Hold on, let's just do a little mini cut up sesh. Let's see. Oh, because of that thing up there. Okay. I see. It makes sense. Anyone else coming? All right, let's just get all the way over. But yeah, I'm telling you, people here are just not aggressive. Like, just, oh shit. Corvette driver, bro. You almost ended up like me right now. He almost ended up having to get a loaner for his car. Nah, I was definitely not gonna hit him. I saw him though. But yeah, everyone here just drives like they're so scared though. Like that thing pisses me off to no end. Sorry, just, my god. I'm telling you, like, people see 2 trucks and they just start panicking. Like, I don't understand. What's the whole big deal of just driving, man? Just drive. You're not gonna get pulled over. Oversized low, see? You're not gonna get pulled over. And that's it. Oh my god. Get out the way, man. So yeah, and it does have cruise control and also lane control as well, so that's the good thing about it. So I guess if you end up, you know, cutting up or doing something, it'll probably shake the cars. It's like a safety feature. So fire department right there. Let's move over a little bit. I'm so used to like my C8 being so aerodynamic that it just cuts through all this wind and it's just flying. So this car, you really got to put your foot down. But the brakes are amazing. That's the one thing, like this car, the brakes, you could be flying, you press the brakes, it stops on a dime. So that's one of the best things about it. And it's so crazy. This feels so weird because I haven't filmed a POV in I don't know how long, honestly. It's been probably like a month maybe, or a month and a half. So, but yeah, let's finish off the POV with some music. I don't know if you guys heard Nav's album. I kind of wish he went back to the old style, but he does have some bangers on there. So let's play this one. But the sound system is not it though, I'm telling you right now. Telling you, bro, people in Florida,
he said he wanted to pressure
it's either
test
too fast
How do you do that? Xfinity
or it's
Internet
too
is
slow.
99.9% reliable.
It's like people can't really drive, bro. I'm telling you for real.
Get Xfinity Internet and unlimited mobile together for $30 and save $1,000 over Verizon and AT&T.
For real, man. It's terrible. It's terrible. Let's try it. Wait, hold on. Let me try this lane thing to see if this thing really does work. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if this actually keeps me. So if I try to move out the lane, it didn't do anything. Wait. Oh wait, it did. Okay, it did actually work. It's cool, but Yeah, sound system could definitely be better, but overall great car. 2025 Chevy Trailblazer.
I wasn't trying to build you up and destroy you. My friends tell me I'm doing what I'm supposed to. I've been winning in the game, I've been losing myself. Don't kick me while I'm down, cause I really need your help. My addictions got you worried when I'm going on tour. Say I do nothing for you, you don't know what I had in store. Ever since you left, my house don't feel like it's a home. Give me one more chance, I don't wanna be alone. Thought what we had was love, but why you wildin' on me? Why you wildin' on me? The shit I'm on got me stuck, so you know where to find me.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this POV, please give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.